Good morning, guys. Welcome to Boulders Beach.
There are wild penguins here.
Let's go say hello to the penguins.
Hello, my friend.
That one tried to bit me. Do you like penguins, Amelia?
Love them.
Yeah?
Favorite animal? No, elephants is actually. Penguins is top 5.
We're just gonna go by. We're just this way. I'm just passing you, brother. We should have probably come here earlier because when you come early, there's no people and it's low tide, so you can really go out between the stones. Can I squeeze through there? Or should I go this way? Oops. In terms of this place, it's hard to say much because it really is what it is. It's penguins on a beach.
But the penguins live here by free choice. They are wild
Yeah.
and they make their nest here, and this is actually the home that we are stepping into.
Yeah, imagine like you have a house and suddenly people are just fucking wading through your property.
Yeah.
And like there's so many people here who don't seem to respect the penguins. There was a nest and people, they just walk by literally right next to. Obviously they didn't like it. They were biting like, you know, walk around, idiots. This is just the beginning of today because we are going to different places.
It's like you chose the worst time
Right.
to go.
Why didn't you film that, Amelia? I am soaking wet now.
Oh my god, your pants are so see-through, Jon.
I am so wet.
That's what she said.
I hate this place right now. So this is the not so cool part of the beach. People actually come here to just lay on the beach, which is so bizarre because there's beaches everywhere. I don't understand how I can get soaking wet on my back with my backpack. It all started with sand. I told you, sand is the worst. Let's get some food. I am hangry.
We haven't tasted the food yet, but the interior design here is so cute. When I do interior design for work, I always try to capture the same atmosphere there is in the area inside the house. And they definitely did that here. I really like it.
Do you see what I'm seeing? Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Bye. This is where we're at, Simon's Town. A very charming place. It's like a modern saloon, Western city.
You always say that.
No, I thought about it. I said it recently, but this is only the second time. Simon's Town is one of the oldest towns in South Africa, according to Amelia's Wikipedia research. It's also the main naval base to the Royal Navy. We thought we could get all the way out, but not really.
Okay, we didn't really see that much of this cozy little coastal town.
Because
But
it is small.
And it's mostly known as a tourist escape spot for the people living in Cape Town.
Nice place, but
Very,
the
very
reason why
charming.
we're off so fast is because we're gonna go to Muizenberg. Come on, man.
Yep.
It's a market, and instead of talking about this, why don't we just show you?
Jon, you want to include people in our situation?
Today is a great success. The market is not today, and I've checked it several times. Well, obviously not, but it's tomorrow, Sunday. So let's just swipe to when it's open like this.
And now we are here. Today is tomorrow, is today, and everything is good except we didn't bring any cash, so it's gonna be a wandering and not a shopping experience.
How can you not make an ATM this place? It makes no sense. This is one of the biggest markets there is around Cape Town.
50.
What is this?
Honey, different kinds of honey.
Honey.
I would love to eat this. What is it?
Woolies products.
Do you think these are real?
In general, there are so many like copies and.
What did you expect of this place?
I actually expected it to be a food market only, like grocery shopping.
We always do such a good job at reading up on what we're doing. So far, it's a collection of garbage. You want some funny cooking?
He's cute, isn't he?
Very much.
Are you guys vloggers?
Yeah,
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yeah. Yeah?
See you on YouTube. Bye. This is my mom's nightmare. Like, put this in the bed.
No, but it's even better because. Oh my god, there's a puppy. Can I say hi?
Yes.
Oh my god. Look how pretty you are.
Only in love with you.
Let's move, Jon.
So we left a bit earlier from the market because a guy approached us and was like asking about our equipment. Told us very incoherent story that he himself wanted to also make videos. We talked with him for like 3 minutes. Then after that, there was a bunch of people following us. Amelia, she has eyes like a hawk, like literally.
It was so easy to see how they were actually following us and how they were in a group and they were divided into smaller groups. And then you could seriously see them following us and looking at us. They were not very professional. It was so creepy.
You just really have to be street smart.
We just found another market, a farmer's market.
And it's open! We need to get some of that.
Yeah, I am seriously in heaven. And also they got dolmades.
Amelia, that is an absolute must. Damn, boy. Mandela tea.
African tea they
I
have.
couldn't care less about tea, Amelia.
We have to taste African stuff. That's the point of this shop, right?
We should get the dolmades because it tastes good. And life is about tasting the good stuff. What is the most African local chocolate thing you have?
Well, these are all African chocolates because it's made with African origin cocoa and it's handmade in Cape Town.
Oh, girl got talent. Fever tree. Do you think they have
They have
gin? I like these chairs. Cozy. Hey mate, this is where we're going.
That's Namibia.
We're going there to this place in 2 weeks. It's the oldest desert in the world. Hello. This is the most beautiful road in Africa, South Africa.
They say.
This looks nice. This is a good time to taste dolmades and chocolate. Oh, I love this. Dolmades are so good because they're so fresh and citrusy and they feel healthy. Oh my god, it's a good wine.
I actually feel like it was very clever to eat the dolmades with this wine.
Where is the chocolate, Amelia?
Chili chocolate.
It's not too strong, but tingles.
This one is a mint crisp chocolate. I think this one was the caramel.
It's cinnamon.
Cinnamon one.
Oh my god.
It's good.
No exaggeration here, but that one, oh cinnamon, I love cinnamon. It's a good life.
This is
Chocolate tasting. That's a new area we should explore
much more.
This is Chapman's Peak. This has the title of the most beautiful road in, I don't know if it is in South Africa, but it is one of the prettiest roads ever.
It's freaking insane, the beauty here. It's so beautiful. So even though it costs money to drive on this road, it's certainly worth your money. But to be fair, I don't think that this camera would show any good of this. We gotta spin the drone.
설레임 운동화 끈을 메고서 떠나는 내 뒷모습 초라해 보이지만 바람은
What a beautiful 2 days. And now we're sitting here and the sun is setting. The sunset is amazing, and I think we should just shut
End
the
the
fuck
vlog
up now and say see you later, guys, and good night on this sunset.
Enjoy. Bye.
Bye, guys.
바람은